Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to Iconiqq TV. My name is DJ Iconiqq, and today, right about now, I want us to learn something quick, fast, on how to analyze your songs on virtual DJ. Let me tell you how I arrived at this video. So there's this guy by the name Stilo8505. He asked me on one of the video via comment section. And this is his comment: can you show how to get songs analyzed, and can you make old songs sound modern? That is on virtual DJ. So right about now, I want to show you how to get your songs analyzed. So we dive into virtual DJ and just scroll down over here. Just go to where you stored your music. All right, now look at this song. You can see that we have the key over here. We have the key over here, and then we have the BPM, the length. So still wants to know how you can get these parameters. So you just right click on the particular song that you want to find, or the one that you want analyze, and click here, analyze for BPM. See, and there you have it. As you can see, the key has changed. That means the song had not been analyzed before. And here you go. I've loaded it. The BPM, as you can see, it's 137. Let's play. Now we might get a copyright strike. Alright, that is Kenyan music. Let's find some other folder with more songs. Let's see what. Alright, right. Stilo, do you know how to mix in key? For DJs out there, people who are watching, do you know how to mix in key? So as you can see over here, most of my music I have analyzed it, but you can see that the length here is not shown. So Control A, if you're on Mac, Command A, that is, you select all. See, everything is highlighted. Right click, then say batch here. I don't want you to get confused when you are doing it for one song. Assuming you just want to analyze one song, you just click on it, right click, and say analyze for BPM etc. But now we want everything analyzed, so Command A or Control A on PC, then right click, go to batch, say analyze for BPM etc. See, but now with the new version of virtual DJ, we have stems. Here we have pre-compute stems, that if you want to do your stems, but right now we are most importantly interested with the BPM and key. Click analyze. Look over here, we have DJ38K topest. So this folder has about 53 songs, that is 53 and more. That's it. Give it some time, and as you can see over here, down here, it started with the last mix step, and then I'll delete this one. Alright, I want to delete. So it will analyze everything slowly. So, and for the second question, can you make old songs sound modern? Yes, still you can make old songs sound modern. However, it's not possible on virtual DJ, or if someone out there knows how to do it on virtual DJ. Otherwise, I have never found a way on how to do it on virtual DJ, unless you go to Adobe Audition or Sony Acid or FL Studio or any other sound production software. That way you can alter the vocals, you can alter the instrumental, and remaster it probably to get top notch quality. Sometimes, additionally, before I finish the video, you can choose to buy, you can look for the songs on music pools all over the internet if you subscribe to any music pool. I don't want to mention any here, but I don't know whether you're conversant with music pools. That is where DJs get their music, their music legally. Yeah. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. I wish you a good time, good learning. Let me know anything in the comments. I'll be glad to guide you. So that's it. Have a good time. Bye bye.